Okay, that was strenuous. I've gained about 1,000 feet of rock, and I'm probably at about 13,000 feet right now. You can look down a good long ways to all this business. That Petit Griffon needle is down in that notch there. See all the way down to the drainage. You can now see back on the other side of Ruby Peak. And got all these crazy jumbled blocks as I go up near the summit ridge, and that's the summit ridge right up in there. So I'm going to work my way up into that. That's the upper part of the couloir, which I would have climbed if it hadn't been so doggone mushy. Spectacular. Okay, here we go.